going to cook a poached egg on toast. I'm going to show you how easy it is, and it only takes 1 minute. This is what we need. We need a small dish with about 2 ounces of water, a little dash of salt, and of course, the egg. You gotta crack the egg, drop it into the dish. Now, we're going to take the egg and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, if you like your egg a little bit hotter, you can let it go for 1 minute and 10 seconds. After you do it 1 or 2 times, you'll know which minute or 1 minute and 10 seconds you made eat. Now let's take a look at the poached egg. Okay. Wow, that is perfect. Perfect. Now, the first thing we have to do is remove the water. Then we take our egg, put it on a toast, and there you have it. One perfect poached egg.